What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant, this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help the channel out. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. You know I appreciate you guys. Please hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video, just like this one. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, so what we're going to do today is, it's a chore, but it's an unboxing also. Way back at Christmas, I got Meguiars Ultimate Bucket Kit. It is for car wash. It's a wash and wax. It has a quick wax, foam for the tires, glass cleaner, and interior detailer. So what I'm going to do is we will try this out, see how it works. Also, I purchased a rigid 14-gallon wet dry vac, which came with a car kit. So we're going to see how well these work. So let's check them out and see what happens. All right, so this is the rigid 14-gallon Shop Vac. This is a really nice Shop Vac, as you can tell. It's filthy. I've been using it. I'm doing construction in my basement, but it also has the car care kit. And this here is the hose for the car care kit. What I like about the Ryobi tube, it has this little clip here that locks the accessories in so they don't fall off. I had a Shop Vac, and that was one of the most frustrating things, is when you're working, you're moving around and stuff, the tube will fall off. So this is locked in place. You have to push down, twist, and it comes off. So we'll put that in the box because we're not going to use that. And let's hook the car care kit onto it. So that's where the connector is used. All right. So what we do is we take the connector, that clips on, take the other end of the connector, clip it on there, and there we go. We got a nice tight connection. This hose is a little more flexible than the black one, so that's why it's used for the car. Let's take it in the truck and let's see what it does for cleaning. All right, so I got all the crevices done. Let's see how this does on the carpeting. All right, let's see if this gets a good clean. Yeah. Not bad. Truck's all shop backed out. Car care kit did an okay job. I wouldn't spend any extra money on it. I think a regular Shop Vac would do just as good of a job. Maybe with a car with kids in it or animals or something like that, it might work a little bit better. But the only benefit I saw was the hose. The hose was a little more flexible to be able to go through it and, you know, basically clean everything. But no, not worth it. Love the Shop Vac. I think it's a nice bonus that I got with it. I actually got really lucky on this because when I purchased it online for $99 with the car kit and everything. The very next week after I got it, it's now $149 online at Home Depot. But like I said, the vacuum itself, well worth the money. It's a really good vacuum. The car care kit, if you're buying it extra, I wouldn't pay the extra money for it, but that's my opinion. So let's go through. We're going to get the stuff from the car care kit that I got for Christmas, and let's see how it works inside the car. All right, so we have the kit here. Let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Okay. We have the tire foam. We have interior detailer, glass cleaner, quick wax, and wash and wax. Okay. I would have thought it would have included a sponge, but it doesn't. So we'll check this out, see how it washes the car. All right, everyone, we're inside the truck right now, and what we're going to do is Meguiar's interior detail cleaner. So let's see how this works. In this truck is really not too much interior that needs to be cleaned. I got my dashboard, my console, and the center console. So we'll see how it does. Take a look. So shake it up. Put on a spray. And we will use a clean cloth toy gun. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. Be honest, I don't notice the difference. So let's do the front of the dashboard here, see how this works. All right, everyone. Didn't realize it, but I filled my hard drive, or the memory card, while I was doing the surface. So this is what it came out. It looks okay. I'm an Armor All person. I've always used Armor All. So yeah, nothing spectacular. So what I'm going to do now is I will do the, let me pick it up here first. We have, okay, and what we'll do is let's clean some windows. It does smell good. Yeah, not bad. See how it does on my mirror. Do little wipes. I know it does not streak like Windex. This stuff. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Not bad at all. No streaking whatsoever with it. Alright, I'm happy on that. So let's go, and we're going to wash all the interior windows. So I'm washing the outside of the truck. No need to clean the outsides. So let's clean it. So what I gotta do now is I've got to wash the truck. Interior stuff, it's okay. Similar to Armor All. It's got a really nice smell, but depending on price point, whichever is cheaper, I would go for between the Meguiars and Armor All. So like I said, what I gotta do is wash it right now. I'm gonna use the ultimate. Alright, the truck's washed. It did an okay job. I've seen better, I've seen worse. It's kind of average. Although my truck does look very good. It's the first time I've washed it in a long time. So the next thing we're going to do is, while I'm waiting for it to dry to put the wax on, we're going to use their Ultimate Insane Shine foam. It comes with every car cleaning kit. You spray it onto the tires and it gives the tires a really nice shine. So let's take a look and see how it works. All right, so what you need to do is shake this really well. You can hear the liquid inside until it's all mixed up. You go pop the top. Make sure you point it the right way. You know, about 6 to 8 inches away from the tire. Nice uniform spray. And you just let it sit. All right, the last step is Meguiars. I hope I'm pronouncing that name correctly, Meguiars. Quick wax. This is different. Most waxes, the car has to be dry and you have to be out of direct sunlight. This is saying you can do it in direct sunlight and when the car is wet. So we'll see. And basically every wax that I've ever used, you have to buff on and then buff off. This here is just saying that, yeah, you just spray it on and then you wipe it off. Yeah, so we say we take a look and let's see. First of all, you got to shake it up very well, because this has been sitting for a really long time. Okay, pop the top off. Okay, take the cover off. Okay, then you take the sprayer that came with the kit and pop it in, screw it on. There we go. And it says just to mist it. Okay. All right, and I got a nice towel to clean it off, so let's see how it works. Put it back up here. It says just to wipe. Oops, wrong side. You do kind of have to buff it a little bit. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to go around the whole truck and I'll show you once I'm done. All right, I'm all done with the truck. Did a fairly good job. I wish that there was an Armor All protectant sort of product in there to do the tunnel cover. That wasn't included, so there's no exterior vinyl or any type of cleaner like that. But I'll go in the order that I used them and how it worked. We got the Perfect Clarity glass cleaner. Did a fairly nice job. Cleaned the windows nice and clean, both inside and out. No streaks, and it dried really quickly. So I like it I like it better than Windex. It's got a nice smell to it. Next thing I used was the interior detailer. It was okay. Nothing spectacular. Again, nice smell. But I like Armor All better. Armor All gives a cleaner finish when you're done. This was very dull. I know it can be kind of messy, not messy, but the shine can glare up on the window, so that it can be tough with Armor All, but it was okay. It was nothing to write home. Ultimate Wash and Wax did a wonderful job. Really nice, left a nice clean shine, didn't leave blotches or drip marks or anything like that. It did a really nice job. I will definitely use that again. Ultimate Insane Foam, Shine Foam, did a really good job. I've used many products and they're all pretty much the same. One thing to make sure though, if you are using this, do not use it in a driveway, because it will leave marks in the driveway that will not go away. I had that with the Armor All foam tire cleaner. So just be aware of that. And then the last thing I used was the Quick Wax. Not a big fan of it. I'm old school when it comes to wax. You wax it on, wait till it turns white, and then you buff it off. This here, I don't know. I don't really know what it did, because the wash and wax did such a wonderful job. I'll try using it again some other time, but as of right now, yeah. So for the whole kit, I believe that we got this at Walmart. It's usually about $40, $50, somewhere in that price range. Don't go out of your way for it. Really pick up the individual products that you use. You'd be a lot better off, I should say. So yeah, and for the Shop Vac, I can't show you the Shop Vac because my wife took it. She's using it in the house right now, so I can't show you that, but it did an okay job. The car care kit, don't think that it's worth it. So But that being said, that's the end of this video. Like I said, truck's clean, looks good. Like I said, I wouldn't go out of my way for it. But thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said earlier, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. I do appreciate it. Thank you for coming this far in the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll be coming back to you again real soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.